This is the 2023 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport. Let's say that you're in a situation where you need to change a tire. And whether you're doing it yourself or somebody else is, and they get to this lug nut and say, well, it's not coming off. I can't even get the lug wrench to fit around it. What do I do? This is what you do. That's called a wheel lock. You need a wheel lock key to get that off. So here's the deal. Most likely, it's going to be right here in the glove box. This is the bag you're going to look for. That's what it is. That's the wheel lock key going onto the wheel lock. And what that does is allows the opportunity to keep your tires and your wheels safer. People are after your wheels, obviously, when they try to steal that kind of thing. But this is the wheel lock key. It is specific to your vehicle. It comes from the dealership. And the good news about that is that means nobody can go on eBay or Amazon or anywhere like that and get the specific wheel lock key that we have here to use on your vehicle. So if you were ever curious about that, whether it's one of these Accords or some other Honda model, well, there is your answer.
To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.